Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing video of the Scrap Diva Designs Holiday Magic paper collection. Thank you Scrap Diva Designs for sending me this paper collection. You can find this paper collection at scrapdivadesignsdesignteam and get a 10% discount using my discount code prisgemicinc. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Let's get started with this chipboard stickers. And there's 2 pages of chipboard stickers. I'm just going to get them out of the bag so that you can see them more clearly. And here's the first page, and they're really nice. This one says Santa. We have some nice poinsettia flowers and this hot cocoa mug with some marshmallows inside and some tags. This one says warm wishes to you, and we have this nice winter hat and these really cute faces with a boy with a scarf and earmuffs, and then we have this girl with 2 ears and a scarf hat. Super cute. And we have a present and another tag that says Merry Christmas, and the super cute Santa. And I love how it's the full Santa and he's waving and he has all the toys in his bag. And then we have this girl with some presents on her head, which is super adorable. And we have this mistletoe with a bow and another small present. So that's the first page. And then the second page we have here are the houses and a boy, and there's this girl elf and a boy elf, which is like super duper cute. And we have some stringed lights and multiple of these little bows, which are really cute. And then we have a girl here in her nice Christmas sweater and a bow tied to her hair bun. And we have the snowman and this Santa head with the heart glasses and mistletoe. And here we have a car with a tree, a Christmas tree that he's bringing home, and a banner that says Merry Christmas. So yeah, these are super duper adorable. And let's move on to these Holiday Magic Ephemera pack number 1. And let's open this up. There's quite a lot in here. It's really nice to have so many pieces. We have candy cane, so I guess we have double of each one. And we have this poinsettia flower, we have this mistletoe with the bow, and then here we have the hat and the boy with a nice sweater. We got some tags here. Let's get cozy. Warm wishes to you. And we have some more of these leaves with the berries on it. And the girl with the presents on her head. And the word Santa. And this really cute deer. It's like trotting, or I think like running. And we have this cute girl with a nice bear hat and Santa with some reindeers and this lantern, elf girl. Here we have a Christmas tag, Merry Christmas. Just sorting these all out. These are all the doubles. And here we have the heart candy cane. And we have a wreath, and girl, and one of these wavy tags, wavy oval tags, candy cane, merry and bright. We have holly jolly, gingerbread bakery. Oh, I just did a gingerbread bakery folio, and this would have been great in the folio. I'm going to add this in. And we have this hot cocoa cup, and we have vibes. We have these gingerbreads, and we have this mistletoe bow, and these are like the doubles. I think we have another gingerbread that is in this color. And we have Merry Christmas. And there, here we have a poinsettia with two of them stuck together. And Deck the Halls. Festive. So yeah, these are all the ones, and here's a girl gingerbread. So these are the Ephemera pack number 1. There's quite a lot in here. And let's go to Ephemera pack number 2. Here's Ephemera pack number 2. We have this really cute sweater with some bows all over the sweater. I just thought that was really neat. And then here we have mistletoe, I believe, and some holly berries, a present, a door with a wreath on it, and here's a Santa head, another mistletoe. We have Merry Christmas banner. We have some of the boots, a different type of door, and in pink this time. And here we have a boy in winter gear. Some more Santas. This one doesn't have the heart sunglasses. And we have a Christmas tree, a decorated Christmas tree, and a house. And here's a different styled house. And we have an acorn or a pine cone. And we have some windows with some poinsettias. And the lights. And just a plain tree here. Evergreen tree, and here is the car with the tree on top, and here's a different type of gingerbread with 3 bows. I think that's unique. And some more lights. We have this really cute fox with a bow on it, and some cute mittens, bow, and poinsettia. Here's the cute snowman. And here's a Santa. I think I this is a bigger present, and then here's a boy elf. Oh, look at this. We have a squirrel with a mistletoe on its head. That's cute. And we have, I don't know if I've shown you this, mittens, a big bow. Yeah, so that's the second set, ephemera pack. And let's move on to the paper, the 12 by 12 paper pad. Here we have it. It's designed by Ideas de Papel. If you like to visit her, she has really nice designs, and I believe they're like digital. Yeah, check her out, and I'll put a link to her webpage or her YouTube channel. And let's get started with this. There's like 24 sheets of double-sided paper here. We have this green pattern paper, and the tags are in the back here, and there's a variety of tags that are really pretty. We have this pink acorn pattern, and then there's like to and from tag, and it's just really nice designs here. Warm wishes, and here's the Santa flying in the air, and many different styles of tags. So many options, just so wonderful. So there's like 18 tags on here, and you get two pages of this. And next up we have this one, very nice colors, and then we have this fox and squirrel amongst the forest. And here we have this really nice candy cane heart paper, and the back has these on there. There's two of them. And you can have some sentiments here, so many you can add to your projects. I love adding these sentiments onto like shakers, or just in general, like all my projects. And we have some more cut up parts here, and this really cute village with snowman on there. I love the colors on this, just love them. And these alternating boy, girl, winter themed clothes, and it's just so adorable. And here we have another pattern paper. It's great, so that you can see your projects. It's not as busy. And then we have this nice Christmas lights. And another nice pattern paper, and we have this boy, girl in winter gear, plus the girl with the presents on her head. It's like a balancing act. I love this kind of like a snowy pink background with the polka dots. And then in the back we have some gingerbread, and I just never seen it having bows, like 3 bows. I think that's a really cute idea. And it has blush on its cheek. And then here we have some nice festive polka dot pattern paper here. And then the lantern with the berries. And this nice acorn paper, or pine cone, sorry, pine cone paper. Very nice colors. And then we have the poinsettias, or winter flowers. And here we have some more nice pattern paper. And here we have that sweater, that cute sweater with the hat and the mittens. It's nice and cozy. And we have some more pattern paper. This really nice paper pattern, and the really nice house village pattern paper with the cute snowman, and it's like snowing. And we have this red one with the winter flowers. And here we have the Christmas door with the bow on it. And finally, this pattern here. In the back, we have Santas. Very, very cute. So yes, this is the Holiday Magic from Scrap Diva Designs collection. And I'll put all the links to where you can get all of these. And there's also a discount code 10% for 10% off, which is prisgemicinc. I'll put that in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!